Hi everybody, this is Sam with Python Basics, and we are going to do part 2, wrapping up Cut the Word. So we have right here house, splitting, and we're doing, so these are indexes. So now, to remind you, last time we use the len function, and we do floor division. The reason why we're doing floor division is because if we do, let's do y. Length of football is 8. 4 and 4, 8. And then the reason why we have to do floor division, we could do int or get all crazy, but floor division we learned last time. See, if we try to index with this, you get the error. If you haven't seen part 1, go back and watch that. So we need to come up with a variable. We can rename the variable this information, so we don't have to, because we don't need to know what this is. So now mid, so there's our midpoint. So that's what we're gonna do. So here's this. Let's get rid of all that. Let's just start. So def cut the word, take in a variable, mid equals len x, floor division 2, then so now we're going to build this. So x through mid, close that out, end equals mid all the way through, and then print end plus beg. Then we're gonna do cut the word x, and we're gonna copy this, change this to y, so on and so forth. So now, so you can think about this. This is set up to do, if it's odd, it's going to do smaller at the end, and if you wanted to change this, we could make this +1. So it would grab and do, won't change football. Oops, it would change football because it'll move that around, but it would solve this. So that might be something that you could add next time to, if you wanted it to round up or round down. You could change that if that's what you wanted to do. But right here, if it's odd, it's going to put 3 in the front, or excuse me, it's going to have the remainder, the 1 extra in the front, and if it's even, it's going to split evenly. So that's how you can do cut the word, and we use our slicing. And if you don't understand exactly what happened, go check out part 1 and come back and look at this. So here's our beginning through to our midpoint variable, and then here is the end, picking up where it left off, because this is not included. So it picks up, so that's why the same letter doesn't repeat itself. So if you're not sure about this, go back and watch slicing. But this is not included, and this is. That's why that letter is not repeated. But there we go. That's cut the word. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to click that like and subscribe button and that most important notification bell. So please leave any comments, questions, or video requests below, and we'll see you next time. Bye, guys.